Hello, good evening, everyone. So, hello, everyone. Good evening. So, today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful white parrots. What? I'm showing pink color and saying parrots, right? So, I'm just about to make one actual curtain, door curtain. So, I'm making like this. So, almost have completed, but still there are remaining 3 to 1 balance is there. So I thought I should show you how we can make this. But before going to that, I would like to say that my YouTube channel Unique Model Arts already posted how to make the parrots, but still I want to show you how we can make. Okay, so this is the wire. Okay, this is the wire. It's a plastic wire. It is available on um, actually these are available already in this Amazon. Online also you are getting. So the people who are staying at the Tamil Nadu, they also can buy, or they also get it very easily in the shops. If you have any craft shops nearby you, there also you will get. But what you need to do, in the Amazon they are giving 10 colors at a time. All the 10 colors they are giving. Each bundle has 10 meters. Okay, each bundle has 10 meters. If you make the complete bundle, you will get 36 parrots around. 36 parrots. Okay, why I'm telling all this calculation, because if you want to make any wall hanging, or if you want to make any um, door wall hanging, like door hangings, or any kind of decorative items, if you want to make, then you should know how many parrots will come for this bundle. Okay, so actually it's a old art. My mom used to do this. I learned from her actually, but it was very difficult when I was trying to buy this wire. But now anyway I got it, so I thought I should share with you. See here, this is the wire. On one side, if you see, it's a plain. Okay, it's very plain, right? So it's a plastic wire, fish wire you can say. Fish wire, if you ask in the fish wire, people will give you very thin wire. Okay, so I suggest you to go with plastic wire. Plastic wire. I'll share that link where you will find out, so that it will be easy. Okay, so here, this plastic wire, one side it will give you a complete plain. It is inside part and this is outside part. Okay, if you see, the parrots will give you outside part designed, so that it will give you good shining. Okay, so now I'm going to make this. Okay, fine. So now I'm just calculating what I'm doing. Okay, how many I required balance. So take any scale. This is what I have. If you have any scale, like if you might be having a plastic or this kind of aluminum scale, take any scale. Okay, only the thing, they have started the measurements from here. So you need to take from here. Okay, otherwise you can take this one. This is also completely measured, and it has 12 inches. If you have the tape also, you can use it. Okay, but to show you, I'm just giving this. Take any side from here to, calculate from here to 1, completely 12 inches. Okay, make a cut. I'll just make 2 or 3, so don't worry. 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just keeping 4 or 5. I'll show you how to make this 5 also, and I'll also show you how I'm making the wall hanging. Sorry, it's not wall hanging, door decorative item. We have inside the hall, we have a nice place which we can arrange this as a curtain, so that I'm planning. I have made almost completely, I have done, but I thought I should show you something today. I need to show, right? So that, so for making of the parrots, I have made the cut for the body part is ready. And the eyes I have ready made. Okay, ready made eyes are there. These are also available in the market, so don't worry. It might be you will get for 10 rupees. It's around 50 or 25 like this. It's a movable eyes, moving eyes. Okay, these are also I'm having. And one more is Fevicryl glue and stapler to make the cut scissor. And again the red color same wire, fish wire. Generally used to say fish wire only, otherwise plastic wire. This is to make the nose. See, are you able to see this one, nose? Okay, so here what we do, we'll make first one parrot. See here, I told you that this is the inner side and this is the outer part. Outer part you have the right side you have cuts here, and the inside you won't have any cuts. Okay, now what you need to do, keep it to the center, fold it to the center like this. Okay, keep with these two fingers, thumb and first finger, and here this is the one, the top side part, this is the top side part. You need to move like this. Make a knot and fold it like this. Insert this from this part to, and this part you need to bring. Now fold these two tails and the head, just simply stretch it. Okay, so now what you need to do here, don't worry, we have 4 more, you will learn. Okay, here what you need to do, here give a stapler, okay, here also we have to make one more stapler, but before that we need to make a cut for nose. Okay, here what I am doing, I am just giving a corner cut to make the nose. Okay, this part I have given a triangular cut. I'll keep this inside and fold it like this. Okay, fold it like this. And now what you need to do here, oh, where is my stoppers? Choo. Wait. That is why people used to say that plan everything first, right? See here. Now keep this nose and give. Your parrot is ready. Now keep the extra glue. Now insert some, both sides you need to attach the eyes. Ready. Your parrot is ready. Okay, so let's make it another one. Now take this second part. Only the thing you need to take the measurement of this 12 inches. 12 inches wide you can make one parrot. That's it, nothing else. So fold it to the center part. Okay, fold it like this. Two edges you need to keep together and it should come to the center. Here what you are doing, at this point at least 1.5 inch you are leaving, 1.5 inch up to till here. Okay, 1.5 inch. If you have the doubt also you can make it like this, at least for 1 inch, 1 or 1.5 inch from the beginning, otherwise take from here. Okay, 1 inch. 1 inch you might be required like this. But here what you need to do, here you are not folding like this, you are folding like this. The top part you are moving like this and turning around the head. Okay, and inserting to the same ring. Same ring you need to insert and keep with this ring finger and the last finger, this part. And now what you need to do, here go from the head, from the top side, head से चले जाइए यहाँ पर, go to the head, and now you need to insert this part from the same top of that, from the same top of that ring. See, this has to come in proper way. If you see here also, right, it has came. Now what I am doing, just here give a stapler. Here also if you stretch the head it will give you a proper look. So now I am taking the red one and giving triangular shape. See here, you can see properly, triangular shape. And now inserting this part, I am inserting, the triangular shape should come outside. Okay, here keeping on the head, keeping on the head, just give stapler again. To hide this stapler, what we are doing, we are simply glue with ice. In old days they don't have this ice here, so what they have made, they have stitched with black color beads. Of course some people now also doing, not like that, but still we have the facility of the ice, right, so that I'm directly utilizing the ready-made things. Otherwise what you need to do, you need to stitch with the normal needle and normal thread like this. Let it dry, let it dry. So now keeping the both sides together and going up, and it became center part exactly. Now what I am doing, keeping here, don't try to keep like this. Okay, don't try to keep like this, try to keep your fingers with this, at least a minimum point you should leave, minimum point you should leave. so that turning will be easy. Okay, now what I am doing, I am taking the upper part and now turning around the neck and giving a knot here and keeping this tail to with these two fingers. Okay, try to hold like this. Now what happened, again when you are turning from the head, you will take the downside part also from this part. So now the down one should insert from the head. Okay, and now what I am doing, I am taking the top part and inserting my second tail also. Now it came like this. Now keep two tails together and head, stretch it just simply, ऐसे कर दो. ठीक है. So now remember that never give without stapler, don't keep anywhere, it will come outside because it's a plastic wire, right? So we are not making any tough knot, it's a very loose knot, so you should remember that. Here what I am doing, again I am making the nose, small pieces only I am taking. Here insert it in here, the head part you need to insert at the top side and keep your fingers here. You are just simply folding and keeping your fingers so that it will not come outside, and also keep it until you staple it, keep it like this only, don't try to keep like this. Okay, otherwise your nose, this nose will come outside. So keep it like this. Now give stapler. If you have any doubt also, keep one more, nothing will happen anyway, stapler pins will not be shown outside, right? My ready-made eyes are helping me to give a original look. 3. I hope everybody got it. Okay, if anybody knows it very well, but of course I think it's a good interesting firing parrot. Ayyo. Now another nose here. is also ready. Your eye is also ready. Only one more, okay? Don't get bored. I thought if I show at least 1 or 2, 3, 4, you will learn it easily, right? I'll also share this video in my page. Don't worry, you can see it whenever you want. Like this, and here also the same. I will make it. Okay, it's so easy. Only the turning point, if you catch the turning point, if you practice it, seeing, while you are seeing, you feel like you already know, but while you are doing, then it will show their movie. Seriously. Whenever you feel like seeing, okay, we can do it, while you start doing, then you can able to learn. Am I right or am I wrong? Okay, see, no worry, we'll make one more. Now hiding with this. Once the glue get dried, no, then this will be shown like this. Fine. Now we have made the parrots. Here I'll give you a little bit of structure with these parrots, because I told you, right, I have made some lines also. Like this I need to make it. I'm making the door hanging actually. So here I need this bell, beads, and I have used straw. Okay, after that parrots. It's so simple to make it. Only once we made the lines, we can arrange with the door. I'm using this thread to make the lines. It is a teddy bear making thread. You can ask teddy bear stitching thread. The down, it's a very strong thread. Okay, it's a very strong thread. So here what I'm doing, where is this, these straws. Okay, oh, excuse me. So here I'm ayyo. I'll keep it aside, okay? Meanwhile, I'm just little bit of scared. I don't know what I'm doing. Arey, come on. So here inserted. Very, very, very noisy outside. So what I'm doing, I'm making a knot at the end, and I have used the gold beads and also the bell. If you want, you can use the glass beads also, and there will be transparent beads and glass beads were available. So here what I'm doing, I'll insert one bead. It's also a bell, it's not bead actually. It's also a bell. Also you can use the bead. Okay. Here also I'm making one knot with this bell. After that simply you need to insert with this needle. That's it, one by one. Only the thing you need to decide which kind of pattern you are making. Okay. Once I finish it tomorrow also I'll show you. Anyway. Okay. Here I have made the knot, and now inserting the bell like this. The bell will go inside with another. It's actually a bead cap, looks like a bell. Okay, and now I'm inserting my pattern with this 3 beads. 1, 2 and 3. I have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 3 has to be make it, right? Here what I am doing, here this is actually a 3 inches 3 inches I have made the cut with this straw. Okay, starting 3 inches was there. Okay, so now also I am making the same thing. Only one measurement I have taken. After that I am using with this measurements I am making the cut. Okay, like this. You can make any wall hangings also. One straw will give you three tubes. Okay, now I'm inserting this also here. While I'm doing this, no, actually it's a big straw will be giving you 3 inches, so your needle should be at least for 3 inches or more than that. The same 3 inches needle I have taken. Okay, so that you should remember. And also the thread which I'm giving, that is teddy bear stitching thread, very strong thread. See here, if I insert the needle, it will come outside like this, because straw will be very lightweight, so the needle will come automatically very fastly, it will come outside. Okay, so here what I'm doing, I'll insert this. Okay, after that I will insert one more bead, one more bead, one more bead, and here the starting one from here to the top side, one parrot. See, one parrot, again one bead here, one more straw, again one bead, and now another color, parrot, again one more bead, sorry, so here only 2 and 3. I required 3 parrots line, because it's already from 10 to 1 I'm making. Everybody can like this. At the final also I required one more straw, one more straw, and again one more bead. That's it. Like this it will come. I want to show it, right? Wait. Okay, So here I only required the 3 parrots. So after completing of this, you have to make a knot, because it might be take some time to tear to the door, right? So before that you just give a knot. It should not come outside. 2, 3. See here. So if you want, you can make any wall hanging also, uh, dropping down the parrots. Otherwise you can also make one. Door hanging also like this. Okay. Once I tear to my door, I'll show you how it was. Okay, that's it guys. Today I want to show you this beautiful parrots making. I'll show it like this only. Don't worry. Beautiful parrots. I hope you people like this, and I'm requesting, please share my videos and my page, like my page, and also subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm giving the free of cost, free time everywhere. Okay, so the new unique crafts I'm making. That's it guys, I'm leaving for the day. Tomorrow we'll meet you with a new one. Please give a like button if you liked it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.